guys, my name is Greater Dera. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you've taken enough water today. If you've not, then join me and take a glass of water because water is essential for healthy living. Yes, here comes my glass of water. Yes, indeed, water is life. So in this space, we are going to be discussing everything that has to do with Igbo lifestyle. So if you are planning to travel to any of the Igbo states in Nigeria, you know we have 5 major Igbo states in Nigeria. We have the Anambra, the Ebonyi, Enugu, Imo states and Abia state. So if you are planning to travel to any of these Igbo states, maybe for work, business, school, or you're planning to marry from any of the Igbo land, then this channel is for you because we are going to be learning a whole lot together. In any topic I'm going to discuss, I will do that in English version and Igbo version. The English version is for those that do not understand Igbo language but would love to learn Igbo lifestyles. Then the Igbo version is for those that would love to listen to the sweet melodies of Igbo Anambra. So you see, we are going to be discussing a whole lot in these 2 languages. And then I will use the opportunity to promote Igbo language because I'm a strong advocate of Subaku Igbo. So you see, it's gonna be a roller coaster ride with me. So tighten your seat belt and join me as we do it together. So do well to subscribe, click on the bell icon to get notification anytime I upload new video. Please try to like, share, comment on my videos. See you in my next video. Bye, and please try to take enough water because it is essential for healthy living. See you.